Hi everyone, today we are going to cover some of the basic Linux commands. So here are the topics for today. Uh, Basic Linux command, Linux files, Linux file content, Linux filter, IO direction, Unix tools and VI editor. So let's start with the basic Linux command. So we have uh, Oracle VM VirtualBox that I have started, and then I have WinSCP. WinSCP is basically is to transfer file between Linux and Windows. So this will help us to learn our Linux command today. And I have mremote-ng where we are going to run all the Linux commands. So this mremote-ng basically is connecting to the uh, Linux operating system. So the first command we are going to learn is ls command. So ls command prints the folder content. Next command is clear. So clear is going to clear all the text in the screen. The next command is who am I. Who am I is going to print the username. So I'm logged in as Mirza. So that's why the username is printed in the screen. Who command is going to print when this Mirza user was logged in. So this Mirza user was logged in today at 17:35. So this time. Next one is pwd. Pwd prints the working directory. So currently I'm in this home Mirza folder. So we can see in WinSCP. So this side is Linux and this side is right side is Linux and left side is Windows. So this is where our home Mirza folder is easier to visualize in WinSCP. And here it is also pwd showed this home Mirza / home Mirza command, the folder. Cd is to change a directory. Let's say I want to change from this folder to the documents folder where I have these two files. So this command cd will do that. So cd home Mirza documents / home / Mirza documents and then pwd. So now I am in this document folder, which is this folder, and I have two files. So if I do ls again, I will be able to see these two files, which is easier to see in WinSCP, but the terminal also showing that. Next command is mkdir. Mkdir is to make a folder. So I will type mkdir and the folder I'm going to create is test underscore folder underscore one. So now if I refresh here, test folder is created. rmdir is the next command which is going to delete this folder. So if I type rmdir and this folder name and then refresh here, folder is gone, deleted. Touch command is to create an empty file. So I am putting touch and the name of the file, which is test file dot txt. So if I refresh here, test file already was there, so I will delete it and then run that command again. Touch test underscore file dot txt. So this test file is created, but this is empty. So if I open it, there is nothing inside. So touch command creates an empty file. Rm command deletes any file, so I'm going to delete the file now. Rm test underscore file.txt. So now if I refresh here, this file is gone, deleted. Cp command is to copy file from one folder to another folder. So I will copy a file here from here, home Mirza, to document folder. So currently, if I do pwd, I am in the documents folder. So I will go back to home Mirza. So I'll do cd home Mirza pwd. I'm back here, and then now I'm going to create an empty file called test underscore file.txt. So touch test file. So now if I refresh, test file is created here, and I'm going to now copy this file to this documents folder here. So I'll run the cp command. Cp is to copy that file to the documents folder. So now if I refresh this, from here test file got copied to this documents folder. Next command is mv command. Mv command is to move the file. So I'll delete this file and then go back. So now mv command will move this file from here to the documents folder. So I'll run this command mv. So now this file will be moved, not copied. So if I refresh it, it will be gone and it will be in the documents folder. See, it is here now. So that's the move command does. So I have put a big file, Linux commands. So this file I have here is really big. It has like a lot of my documentation, everything here. So next command is the head command. Head command is going to list first 10 line of that file, Linux underscore commands, that I have opened and showed you guys. So I'm still in home Mirza folder. I need to be in documents folder. So I can do it two way. If I put the path document, then I don't need to change my directory. So I'll put head command and the path home Mirza document and the name of the file. It will print first 10 line of this Linux command file. So that got printed. Head command prints first 10 lines, and then tail command is the next command. It is going to print the last 10 lines of that command file, that is tail command. Cat command is going to print everything in one shot. So this file has so many and we were not able to see everything page by page. So to overcome that problem, the more command solves that problem. So if I do more, it will go now page by page. If I hit tab, it would go page 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and control C will come out. So that is for more command. So ls command prints everything in a folder. So I will do clear ls. So now if I want to see only this example desktop file and not everything, I can use the grep command. So grep actually is the filter. So if I do this, it will list only the example desktop file, which is this file. So grep command is filtering out of all the files to a specific file. And next command is wc command. WC command is to count how many line, word, and character I have in my command file. So I have this many line, word, and character in this command file, which is I showed you guys before. This command file has this many line, word, and characters. So next command is how to put some content into a file. pwd, I'm in home folder, so I will put cat and then greater than sample.txt, and I will put some text ABC, and then control D. So now if I see this file, if I go back to this folder and then see this file, as you can see ABC is entered from terminal. So this is called IO redirection. So this is to enter text into a file. If I want to enter text at the bottom of this file, what I have currently, don't delete and put some new content. So I have ABC, I will put DEF, control D, and let's see what I have now. So I have DEF at the end. So this double greater than did that. Next command is the find command. If I want to search a file in Linux system, I can use this find command with a name. So I'm searching this command file which I showed you guys. So it found with the find command. This is the output. Next command is the date command. This prints today's date time, Linux system information time. Next command is the df command. It is to find how much space currently available, space information. So in the Linux system only 4% used and 96% available, and this much used, this much available it is showing. So df command is very useful to find how much space I have available. And the next is the vi editor. So uh, I am able to open this file from WinSCP very easily, but let's say I don't have that option and I want to open this file from this terminal. Then Linux comes with vi editor. So this editor is going to open the command file for me. So now we can see this file in the terminal. Obviously I can open it from here also, but that's not my intent. Let's say if I don't have WinSCP, then I can use the vi editor to open this. So I can do a lot of things with vi editor. I will show some quick uh, commands to get around with the vi editor. We can save the file, we can move around the file, we can delete a line in the file, we can go back forward. So let's say I want to move forward or backward, so I can put W or B. So if I put W, it's going forward, and then B is coming backward. Let's say I want to move down or up, then J, K, J going below, K going at the top. And then let's say move one forward. So W and B, it is going one word, and then B coming back to one word. So so we need to learn the PI editor commands to use it. Let's say I want to search a text, so then I can put question mark, and let's say I want to search Linux, and then enter. So it went to Linux, the first occurrence of Linux. So let's say I want to exit this file without saving anything, and that is quit discarding changes. So exclamation q exclamation. So now I'm out of the VI editor. So that's all for today. Thanks everyone, and have a nice day.